Hey kids, it's me, Tony. I think I told you in an earlier video that I bought me a couple of things because I retired. I think at the time I told you they were both from Michael Kors. I lied. Actually, one thing was from Coach. So I thought I'd open that real quick because I don't remember what I bought. They were having a sale. It was one of those after the holidays sale or something. Anyway, I have it here. I don't think, no, I've not opened it at all. So hold on a minute while I open it. Okay. I have it. Very nice. Oh, I remember that when I ordered both this and whatever I ordered from Michael Kors, I had them gift wrapped. I thought that would be fun. I mean, it was a gift to me, from me. Okay. So we'll pretend this is from Chanel or Louis Vuitton, and I'll say, yeah, here's my little envelope with my receipt. So it is. So it has all the stuff. And it has something else in there. I guess that's like the little care card thing. Okay. Wonderful. Look how pretty. Pretty. Cute. Thank you for shopping at Coach. Well, you're welcomed. Okay, the untie. I don't remember what I bought. Let's see. Chanel's not the only one with a magnetic box anymore. Okay, more paper. What a lot of going for. I couldn't remember what I bought at all. I didn't think it was a wallet. And it wasn't. Look, it's this really cute little card holder. Isn't it adorable? We'll take that little thing out of the middle. I saw this and I just thought it was so cute. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. Got the little C's. Then there's the back. It's very cute. It's very soft, pliable. You know, sometimes those card holders are not. And here's the little card inside. Does it say anything? Not in English. Care instructions. I have to remember. Let me look at the paperwork so I can tell you what this is. Because, like I said, I don't remember. It is the Coach Cafe Felt card holder in the tan and multi. The item number is, if you care to know, 78554 V5 OR 6. Okay, just in case. And so that's the name of it. So the inside, I don't know if I can say it's spelled out. There's not, it's leather. And the inside, I don't know if you can see a little Coach in there. I like that. That's very cute. I did a very good job. I'm very proud of myself. So, I will, if I can find this, if it's still on their website somewhere, I will put a link. I don't remember what I paid for it. I could look, but I don't want to. It was a gift, and it's kind of gauche to talk about price. But, wait. No, this doesn't have it. It just has the little, here's the little, can you see that? Is it going to focus? Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry, my nails look awful. When that fell down, I broke a nail. They looked really great, and then I broke a nail. And when you break a nail, you break them all, eventually. And I haven't messed with them because they broke really badly. And I just, then all this other stuff with the you-know-what hit. And you can't go anywhere, so I'm just hanging out till I can get them done. Anyway, that's it. I hope you liked it. It's quick, but this is present number 1 I got me. And I have one other that actually did come from Michael Kors. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already and you like this, I do all sorts of things. Please subscribe. I keep doing that. You're not supposed to do that. Don't touch your face. I'm not touching my face. I'm holding my hand so I won't touch my face. I post when I have something to say, or show you, or talk about, or whatever, or all 3. So, if you like that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button, click the little bell so you know when I post, leave a comment below, say hi, tell me what you think. I thought it was cute. If you think it's hideous, let me know. I don't care, because I bought it because I liked it. So, anyway, that's it. Hope you guys are staying safe and you have all the toilet paper you need. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.